So for section 6.6, we're going to be starting a new form, which is called the general form of the equation for a linear function. And so this form is written ax plus by plus c equals 0, where a is a whole number, so it's a coefficient on x. So it must either be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Got to be a whole number. And b and c are integers. So that is, b and c can be positive or negative, but they can't be fractions or decimals. So first example is write this linear function y equals negative 2 over 3x plus 7, which is in slope-intercept form, in general form. So we want to write it in the form ax. I'll write that down. Ax plus by plus c equals 0. And so right now we know that a has to be a whole number, right? So remember this. So how are we going to make this a whole number? So let's look. So we can multiply each term by 3, right? Because if we have negative 2 over 3 times 3, then these 3's will cancel out, and we'll just be left with negative 2. So let's do that. So we'll multiply this by 3, and we'll multiply y by 3. And so we got 3y negative 2 over 3 times 3. We just did that over here, so we get negative 2. So negative 2x, and then 3 times 7, so plus 21. So now what we're going to do is bring all the variables to the same side. So our variables are y's. So let's bring this here over the other side because we don't want a negative, right? So if we do that, we're going to add 2x to both sides. So we get 3y plus 2x is equal to 21. And the last thing we got to do now, we know that our form got to be equal to 0. So to do that, we want to get our 21 brought to this side. And so we subtract 21 from both sides. And when we do that, we're left with 3y plus 2x minus 21 equals 0. And there's only one last thing we got to do. We want our x first, then our y term, then our c. So I'm just going to rearrange. So I'm going to take my 2x and put it first, and then my 3y and my minus 21 equals 0. And that's my answer.